ক্ৰমাগতভাৱে এই সংবাদমেল মন্ত্ৰীগৰাকীৰ।
नमस्कार, आप लोगों का सभी का स्वागत है। संडे वाले दिन 11 बजे आप लोग आए, लेकिन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट ब्रीफिंग है कि हम लोगों के लिए 11 बजे का बदखल जल्दी नहीं है, तो हम लोगों के लिए 11 बजे का बदखल जल्दी नहीं है, तो मैं अनुरोध करूंगा वित्त मंत्री जी से कि मैडम आज का ब्रीफिंग जो है वो शुरू कर दें।
Namaskar and thank you for coming on a Sunday. Today marks the last of the tranches of announcement subsequent to Prime Minister's address to the nation. In fact, I'd like to start by quoting Prime Minister's some words of Prime Minister's speech that day, because what I'm planning to say today is very much pegged to that aspect of his speech. And I quote, "As a nation today, we stand at a very crucial juncture." He spoke in Hindi and a version of it in English has been translated. I'm using that. As a nation, we stand at a very crucial juncture. Such a big disaster is a signal for India. It has brought a message and an opportunity, unquote. He also used the expression crisis and an opportunity. That again leads to me to refer to his expression that we need now to build an Atmanirbhar Bharat. So, laying the foundation for what I want to say today, a little again quote from the Prime Minister. Quote, "In order to prove the resolve of a self-reliant India, land, labor, liquidity and laws all have been emphasized in this package." So, a message from the pandemic, the challenges that it throws, the crisis and the challenge, and also looking at a self-reliant Bharat, an India which is going to be strong enough to meet the global challenges, but primarily looking at land, labor, liquidity and laws to bring that strength back to India and build a Atmanirbhar India. So, in the last 4 days of announcements, particularly the last 2 days, have had several reforms addressing the land, labor, liquidity and the laws. Today, we will be continuing in that series. PM also had said, "Jaan hai to jahan hai." Soon after announcing the lockdown, we had come with the PM Garib Kalyan package in order to immediately reach out to those who wanted food, who need food. We were not doing a favor to them, it was our duty. So we quickly went in to give next 3 months the requirement of grains as per the PDS, plus free grains also, because we didn't want them to scout for money to go and search for grains. Pulses were also given for 3 months in advance. And here, I would want to say a word in appreciation of the efforts that the Food Corporation of India, NAFED and the state comes all together put in facing the logistics challenge that this posed upfront giving all the grains and the pulses as promised to everybody who